Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Osama Mumsek, Pega System Solutions Consultant based out of Geneva, Switzerland, and I am pleased to take you through the highlights of what is new in Pega 8 releases. First of all, I would like to start mentioning that in Pega Infinity or in Pega 8, we have released many features in different areas and topics. If you have a special interest, I highly encourage you to visit Pega community and navigate to what's new. For today, I have selected a few of them, which we are going to review all together. Let's start with the Pega App Factory, which is a starter kit for enabling low-code application development to deliver quick wins within your organization. Concretely, Pega App Factory is a portal on which end users will get access to your Pega applications. But above all, that's where they will be guided to create their own apps on Pega platform. With Pega App Factory, your IT has the control over the different applications and the way they are built by ensuring organizational guardrails. Now, let me present to you the new authoring environments that will help you speed up application development. And now we've got 4 brand new studios. We've got the App Studio, Dev Studio, Admin Studio, and the Prediction Studio. The App Studio is the studio made for citizen developers to build complete apps without code. It offers integrated agile collaboration features that allow for seamless communication between the business and IT. In a nutshell, it focuses on the main application developments such as case design, data and integrations, channels and interfaces, and UI authoring. As I said, it is mainly for business analysts, front-end developers, and data engineers. Now to the Dev Studio, which is really the studio for more experienced application developers who focus on more advanced functionalities like system settings, complex rule forms, security configurations, components to be reused across all studios, collaborative development with branches, versioning, and source control. The third one is the Admin Studio, which really will allow your account and security administrators to control the privileges and permissions of all applications across your enterprise. Also, it will help you ensure the continuous deployment and delivery of your applications. Last but not least, of the 4 studios is the Prediction Studio, which really will give you access to Pega's predictive, adaptive, and text analytics capabilities. Now, starting from the 8.4 release, you are able to easily identify and prioritize your microjourneys into MLPs. For every single stage of your case type, you'll be able to specify the personas and the data required. And once the personas and channels have been defined, users can decide in which release each of the persona channel combinations is implemented. In both App and Dev Studio, we have introduced some cool collaboration features for developers to make their life easier. A good example is the one you see here. Pega helps developers on alerting them and informing them on who else in the team is working on the same work object, such as case type, data type, or channel interface. And we have also introduced another feature or collaboration tool, which is the Pega Spaces, which is really a new collaboration tool that helps on gathering end users' discussions, content, and tasks around specific topics. Every single space will have its own list of members, its own content, and its own discussion thread. Now to the new inline attachment viewer, which allow end users to view different Microsoft Office documents such as PowerPoint, Word, and Excel files without having to download those attachments. And it's not just about viewing. This new feature includes watermarks, annotations, and search capabilities. Now to the email bot, or the intelligent virtual assistant, which now supports 7 languages out of the box. So we're now offering the email bot not only in English but also in German, French, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. Another new capability related to the email bot is the new out-of-the-box model, which detects and handles small talks like greetings and goodbyes, and these new small talks actually apply to the 7 languages that we're now covering. Now to the mobile channel authoring, in which we are now offering a much more user-friendly experience for iOS and Android Pega applications authoring. This new development interface gives you a very useful preview and makes it easy to add menus and change the look and feel of your new mobile applications. Last topic of the day, but not least, is the UI and UX. Beginning in 8.4, Pega is introducing a new design system called Cosmos. A design system is basically a set of UI elements, styles, patterns, themes, and guidelines that are used and referenced by development teams to provide a consistent user experience. So the previous one we had on Pega platform was the UI kit. And this is how it used to look like. So in orange, we have the data related information, and in yellow the activity related information, and in green participant and attachments. And I have to admit that it was not always easy for end users to find the relevant information on that single screen. One of the main ideas now behind switching to Cosmos is really to make it easier and clearer for end users when it comes to presenting the information they need. And this is how a case is now presented to an end user with the new Cosmos UI. So on the left summary panel, we have the critical information about the case, and you'll notice that its size and shape is similar to a mobile device, and that its placement puts the most critical information of the record at the top left on the screen. The middle screen is the work area. At the top of the work area, you see the case life cycle, and then a list of tasks or assignment contextual to the case. Below the assignments, we see an activity feed showing completed tasks, collaboration notes, all activity related to this case. There are some work area tabs to the left which can change this view to present additional data as needed. And finally, to the right, you will find the utilities such as files and participants that are related to the case. And last but not least, this is a preview of the home screen where end users will easily find their work list and a pulse feed. Thank you very much for your attention.